Welcome to the InboxPlus CRM dashboard overview. We will briefly go over all its capabilities. Please note some features may not be available on your plan. On the top of the screen, you will see the menu list of all the sections available. In this video we are going to give a quick overview of each section. On your menu list is the dashboard showcasing general reports for all your contacts. Scrolling down we will allow you to review others to test this regarding your contacts. You will most likely have one account available. However, if you have multiple accounts and you want to switch between them, you can click drop-down menu to access all your other accounts. InboxPlus Blueprint. The InboxPlus is a cold email marketing system made on a simple Google Sheet which can automate your cold email to get leads, stay out of spam, and send up to 1,500 emails a day from your Gmail or G Suite. We will cover this section in a separate video. Conversations. The Conversations section is a unified communication center from emails to SMS conversations and any other communication attempts you have made. Opportunities. Here you will be able to track and update your contacts' journey through each of your pipeline stages. Marketing campaigns. Your campaigns contain your outgoing messages to your contacts. Whether it's emails or SMS messages, campaigns are crucial in creating your automation sequences. Email Builder. This section allows you to build out emails templates with a drag and drop builder for use in your automation campaigns. Bulk requests. Here you can add your campaigns to a bulk number of contacts to save you some time. Now you can even do this from contacts. Trigger links. These are preloaded custom links. They can be used in your campaigns. You can create links that trigger an action once clicked or opened. Form Builder. The Phone Builder is where you can create multiple different types of form. These forms can be embedded in different websites and used to capture important information about your visitors. Survey Builder. Survey Builder is an advanced tool that allows to string together numerous questions to forms to capture more information. SMS and email template. You will be able to construct communicative templates here to be used in your automation campaigns. Reporting. This section will give you better overviews of high marketing campaigns like Facebook, Google, cold calls, attribution, etc. Scheduling. Calendar. The calendar section will allow you to access any of the calendars you created in the platform. You can view all your upcoming calendar events here. Appointments. The appointments section will show all your appointments booked from within the platforms. Reputation reviews. If Google and Facebook pages are popularly integrated with your integrations, you will be able to see a list of your reviews and have the ability to reply to any of them. Review requests. Here you can send out review requests directly to your contacts from within the platform. Contacts. This is where all your contacts are stored in the platform. There are various ways of getting new contacts in. From importing a bulk list using the marketing form, this section is crucial in managing all your contacts. Smart lists. This section offers you the ability to create smart lists with the data in your contacts area. You will have multiple options with the ability to add them to your filtering rules for a later use. Manual actions. In campaigns you will have the ability to set up manual actions such as manual calls. If done, your manual actions will be pending here until they're actioned one by one. Once the first task is completed, the next one would be triggered sequentially. Contact requests. This section will give you an overview of contacts you have imported into the system. You will have the ability to revert any imports in any mistakes occurred. Funnels and websites. Funnels. Here you will be able to build unlimited sales and marketing funnels. We will cover this section in a separate video. Websites. Websites are much like the funnels section. You also had the ability to create most of the page websites using the builder. Triggers. This important section would allow you to automate all your marketing workflows. You can trigger actions based on an event that takes place. As an example, if a contact fills out a form, you can create a trigger to notify you by email or SMS that a new contact has filled out a form instantly. We recommend you take the time to explore all the available triggers before you start building out your marketing campaigns. Online listings. The platform has the ability to include digital marketing services. Reach out to us on Facebook group to find out more. Phone calls. The platform has the ability to make outbound calls directly to your dashboard and contacts. All statistics regarding these calls will be located under Reporting Settings. This is where all your platform settings would be accessible.